For the first time in our history, a jury in New York is now deliberating a criminal case against a former U.S. president.
Donald Trump facing 34 charges of falsifying business records and a conspiracy to corrupt the 2016 election. ABC's Rena Roy is at the courthouse in Manhattan.
The fate of former President Donald Trump is now in the hands of 12 New Yorkers. The jury deliberating behind closed doors after 5 weeks of testimony from more than 20 witnesses and a marathon day of closing arguments. They're weighing whether to convict Trump on 34 felony counts of falsifying business records in the hush money payment to adult film actress Stormy Daniels before the 2016 election. The jury is made up of 7 men and 5 women, 2 of them native New Yorkers and 2 immigrants. More than half have advanced degrees, a highly educated jury consisting of a speech therapist, teacher, lawyers, and bankers. Before they began deliberations, jurors attentive and scribbling notes as the judge spent just over an hour giving them instructions. The judge saying, "It is not my responsibility to judge the evidence here, it is yours. You are the judges of the facts and you are responsible for deciding whether the defendant is guilty or not guilty." Prosecutors urging the jury to hold Trump accountable, arguing he ordered his former attorney Michael Cohen to pay Daniels for her silence about her alleged sexual encounter with him to hide that from voters. They say when Trump reimbursed Cohen, he purposely disguised it as a legal expense. The judge telling jurors they can't convict Trump on Cohen's testimony alone unless his testimony is corroborated by evidence, being that he's an accomplice to the alleged crime.
I think the biggest point that the jury's going to have to discuss is the question of corroboration. You have Michael Cohen laying out being the tour guide, so to speak, as the prosecution paints him now in closing arguments. And I think you have to ask the question is what he said corroborated by other witnesses?
Trump's defense attorney saying he did nothing wrong. Trump pleaded not guilty and has denied any sexual encounter with Daniels. Trump speaking outside of court today.
Mother Teresa could not beat those charges, but we'll see. We'll see how we do. It's a very disgraceful situation.
And there are 6 alternate jurors who have been asked to be at the courthouse during deliberations, but they have not been a part of those discussions. Rena Roy, ABC News, New York.